In the information age, data transmission and storage have become the core requirements of various industries. In order to meet this demand, Capel is committed to the development and production of this product, the circuit board. Capel has 16 years of manufacturing experience in this industry, specializing in the production of 1 to 30 layer flex printed circuits, as well as 2 to 30 to layer rigid flex circuits, HDI flex PCBs and HDI rigid flex PCBs. As a leader in the field, we are committed to being at the forefront of technology and providing professional services to our customers, focusing on a wide variety of various induatrial PCB manufacturing processes, providing prototype, assembly, sample batches and mass production services. Our own factory and dedicated R&D team enable us to provide best-in-class customized solutions for all kinds of industry circuit boards. We deeply understand the importance of product quality. Not only pay attention to each process, but also apply many the sophisticated equipment, which is also one of the key points to determine the high performance of products. That's where we can meet the growing needs of many different industries and have more and more partners. Do you want to join us?